Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So today we are going to do past perfect tense active voice. Past means the time that has gone. Perfect means completed. So the past perfect means an action that has been completed in past. And in this tense we also discuss about the two actions that has been completed in past. One action that took place in distant past and second action that took place in near past. Now let's discuss about the ideology of this tense. इन फिकरात के आखिर में चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे वगैरह आता है. When we discussed about present perfect tense, the ideology was somehow same, but the time was different. The ideology of present perfect tense was चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, and the ideology of past perfect tense is चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, which means there is only the difference of time. Let's discuss about the methodology, the way we are going to translate Urdu sentences into English. The methodology of affirmative sentences would be subject, had, third form of the verb, then object. Had we use in past. You might have noticed the methodology of present perfect tense was somehow same. In the place of had, we used has and have in present tense. So we can say that with the help of auxiliaries, we show time. Now we have negative methodology. Subject, had, not, third form of the verb, object. Now we have interrogative sentences. Had, we are going to place before the subject to make it a question form. Then subject, third form of the verb, object and a question mark. And one more thing that I have discussed before, that in this tense we discuss about two actions, one that took place in near past and second that took place in distant past. The action that took place in near past would take this present perfect tense, and the action that took place in distant past would take simple past tense. For example, मेरे घर आने से पहले मेरा बेटा स्कूल जा चुका था. In this sentence we have two actions, मेरे घर आने से पहले and second action is मेरा बेटा स्कूल जा चुका था. So the action that took place before, past perfect methodology, and the action that happened afterwards would take the verb of simple present tense. So that's how we are going to translate. My son had gone to school before I came home. So this action that took before would take had and third form, and the action that took afterwards would be completed with the simple past tense. On page number 103, we have this exercise. Number 1 we have क्या तुम्हारा भाई ये इम्तिहान पहले ही पास कर चुका था. In this exercise we have sentences of negative and interrogative. As if we have discussed in the methodology of interrogative, had would come at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, third form, and then object. So the translation of this sentence would be, had your brother already passed this exam. Number 2, मैंने इतना खूबसूरत जानवर पहले नहीं देखा था. I had not seen such a beautiful animal before. Number 3, क्या मदद मिलने से पहले जख्मी मर चुका था. Had the wounded died before he received help. Again we have two actions. जख्मी मर चुका था took place first. मदद मिलने से this action took afterwards. Number 4, तुम्हारे पहुंचने से पहले वो स्कूल नहीं जा चुका था. He had not gone to school before you reached. Number 5, सूरज 5 बजे से पहले ही गरूब नहीं हुआ था. The sun had not set before 5 o'clock. Number 6, पुलिस के आने से पहले लोगों ने चोर को क्यों नहीं पकड़ा था? Why had the people not caught the thief before the police came? Number 7. जब मैं स्टेडियम पहुंचा तो मैच खत्म हो चुका था. The match had been ended when I reached the stadium. Number 8. क्या गाड़ी 6 बजे से पहले रवाना हो चुकी थी? Had the train left before 6 o'clock? Dear students, remaining sentences are going to be your homework. Now we have exercise number 2. That is also the mixture of negative and interrogative sentences. Number 1 we have, वो इससे पहले गाड़ी में सवार नहीं हुआ था. He had not boarded the train before this. Number 2, सैलाब आने के बाद लोग गांव छोड़कर कहाँ चले गए थे? Where had the people left the village before the flood came? Number 3, क्या पुलिस के पहुंचने से पहले चोर नकब लगा चुका था? Had the thief broken into before the police arrived? Number 4, ज़लज़ले से पहले आंधी ने छतें नहीं उड़ाई थीं. The windstorm had not flown the roofs away before the earthquake. Number 5, मेरी तकरीर से पहले किसने तकरीर की थी? Who had made a speech before my address? Number 6, क्या तुम तारीख़ इस्लाम पहले ही पढ़ चुके हो? Had you already studied the history of Islam? Number 7, हमने ऐसा खतरनाक सांप पहले नहीं देखा था. We had not seen such a dangerous snake before. Number 8, तुमने ऐसा हैरत अंगेज नज़ारा पहले नहीं देखा था. You had not seen such a wonderful sight before. Dear students, remaining sentences are going to be your homework.